Hello friends, I'm CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope that you are preparing for your exams. So if you're new to my channel, then let me tell you that I host free special live classes daily at Unacademy at 7 p.m. Now Unacademy offers awesome courses for CA, CS as well as CMA students, and you can find helpful and awesome faculty over there for all these batches. Now I host free special live classes. How are they free? You can unlock my sessions by using my code CSJAS. Other than that, I am here to announce another two special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 14th and 15th March sharp at 7 p.m. We will be starting with chapter number 6 of company law, that is about dividends. So today we will be studying the topic of meaning and types of dividends, as in we will start with the meaning of dividend, interest versus dividend, as well as all the types of dividends in detail. And tomorrow I'll be taking up the topic of section 123 and 124, that is declaration of dividend as well as unpaid dividend account. Now, despite of these classes being free, I teach all the concepts thoroughly, as well as I put in the polls, that is question answers, which help the students to revise along with preparation, because that is very important to actually test your knowledge then and there only. So all the students who join my sessions, enjoy the sessions, join daily, as well as I do circulate the PPTs from which I teach as well to the students. So feel free to join the classes, as the classes are totally free. Unlock my sessions by using my code CSJAS. The class links to both classes are also given in the description box below. Make sure you click on it and click notify me so that before the class begins, you get notified. And the batch links for our CS students are given in the description box below. And let me tell you, a new and a special offer is running on Unacademy for 14th, 15th and 16th for special 20% off. Yes, so basically if you take Unacademy subscription on any course today, that is 14th, 15th and 16th, for all the 3 days, you will get 20% discount. So if you're planning to get subscription, make sure that you take it between 14th to 16th March, as you will get the benefit of 20% off by using my code CSJAS. Yes, so use my code CSJAS for getting an Unacademy subscription and avail a limited period offer of 20% off on all the subscriptions. So make sure that you're availing the offer and take the subscription timely so that you can benefit the discount offer as well. So hoping you all to join my classes today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. Unlock my sessions by using my code CSJAS. Bye.